All right, so this is a Vulcan 900C Kawasaki 2014, and what we're doing today is we're switching out the turning signal lamp. These are stock lights, so 2 screws here. Once you take those off, don't lose the little rubber on the screw. That's the weather seal. This pops right off. And then the next step is to push the lamp in and turn towards the ground, and it comes right out spring loaded with the little nipples here to hold it in place. So these are 179.15 or 60, 17916 part number. So then the closest thing I was able to find in AutoZone, they gave me the orange ones. So we'll see what happens. If it needs to be clear, you can go get it clear. Alright. So these are fairly inexpensive. I would put on gloves if I were you, but you don't have, I don't really care. Alright, so same way, put it in, push it in toward the center, and then push it in and twist up so it holds on. And then we have to test it. So we turn the ignition on. Perfect. Now let's turn to the other side. Perfect. Now this side is orangier, but that's okay as long as they work. And then the high beams or the regular lights don't work because you need to turn the motorcycle on. Let's do that now. Make sure it's on neutral. Kill switch. Low beam, high beam, low beam. Lights are super important on a Vulcan, on a motorcycle, so that you can communicate clearly with other road users. That's it.